this, everyone! I finally received my special volunteer award from school today for helping out in the community garden all spring.
You truly deserve this award, Sarah, because you worked very hard and showed everyone how important it is to be kind to others.
I am so proud of you, my daughter. Helping others is a great thing to do, and you did it with a smile.
Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. I really enjoyed helping the plants grow and seeing the neighbors happy with the flowers there.
Because we are so happy with your hard work, we have a little surprise for you. Open this new sketchbook and start drawing.
Oh, wow! This sketchbook is so beautiful and the pages are so white. I can't wait to draw all the pretty flowers today. Sarah has a medal and a new sketchbook too. I wish I had something special like that to show everyone how good I am.
Do not feel sad, Chloe. You are a wonderful artist too, and your paintings always make us feel very happy and proud of you.
Why don't we all go for a nice walk to the park now? It is a beautiful day, and we can all play together.
That is a great idea, Dad. Let's get our shoes on and go outside to enjoy the fresh air and the warm morning sun. Look at this beautiful day, Chloe. The sun is shining so brightly and the trees look so green. I love walking in the park with you. Look over there at those pretty flowers. They are so colorful and smell so sweet. Nature is truly amazing when we look at it closely today. Wait a second, Sarah. What is that over there? I see something dark and square hidden in the tall grass right next to the big tree. It is a wallet! Oh my goodness, look at how heavy it is! I think there might be something very important or special inside this leather wallet. Sarah, look at all this money! There are so many bills inside here. We could buy so many toys and snacks with all of this found cash. I could finally get that giant art set with the shiny markers and all the glitter paints that I have wanted for such a long time now. Chloe, we cannot keep this money because it belongs to someone else. We must try our best to find the owner who lost this wallet today. Have you heard of the golden rule? It means we should treat other people exactly the way we would want them to treat us every single day. If you lost your favorite toy or your wallet, how would you feel? You would be very sad and hope someone kind would return it. You are right, Sarah. I would be very sad if I lost my things. Let us look inside for a name so we can find the owner. Look, Sarah. I found a small card inside the wallet with some writing on it. Maybe this will tell us who owns the wallet. You are right, Chloe. It says the wallet belongs to a man named Mr. Thompson. He must be somewhere here in this park. Look, Sarah. There's an old man sitting alone on that wooden chair. Do you think that person might be Mr. Thompson? Let's politely ask him if he's lost anything today. We should be very careful and kind when talking to him. Excuse me, sir. Are you Mr. Thompson? We found this wallet on the path, and we wanted to see if it belongs to you.
Oh my goodness. I did not even realize it was gone from my pocket. Let me check. Yes, that is definitely my brown leather wallet.
Chloe found it right over there near the big oak tree. We wanted to make sure it got back to the right person safely.
Thank you so much. This photo of my dear wife is inside. It is the most important thing I own. I am so relieved. You two are very honest and kind children for returning this to me. The world needs more wonderful people like both of you today.
It's nothing, Mr. Thompson. We're just happy to help you. Have a wonderful afternoon and enjoy the rest of your day.
We are very happy that you returned home safely from the park. Please sit down and tell us about your big adventure today.
We found a wallet full of money, but we remembered the rules and returned it to the old man quickly.
That's a very honest choice, Chloe. Doing the right thing when no one is watching shows you have a very kind heart.
I'm very proud of both of you today. Honesty is much more important than winning a gold medal at school. Because you are honest today, I have a special little surprise for you. This is a small gift to show our love.
Oh my gosh, this is a digital drawing pen. I can use it to create beautiful pictures on the screen like a real artist. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. I am so happy right now because I really wanted to try drawing on a computer tablet. You can use my tablet whenever you want to draw. We can share it because you were very honest and kind to that man. Look at how the colors appear on the screen. This is gonna be so much fun to draw together every single day now.
Always remember that being kind and helping others makes life much better for everyone. You girls are doing a great job being good people.
Remember, girls, always treat others how you want to be treated. Honesty is a beautiful treasure that makes everyone feel happy and safe.
We are so proud of both of you today. This big family hug is for being truthful and for having such kind, honest hearts.
Look at my drawing, everyone! I used my new stylus to make this big red heart because I feel very happy and honest today. Honesty is always the best policy. When we do the right thing, our hearts feel light and we make the whole world better. Thank you for joining our little adventure today. Always remember to be kind and honest to everyone you meet. Goodbye and see you soon.